Hello, this is Mutaz Azaiza, a journalist from Gaza. I'm here to show you the terrible damage in Gaza after a week of constant attacks by Israel from the air, land, and sea. This is Gaza's saddest moment. As you can see, the streets are full of rubble, debris, and smoke. The buildings are either destroyed or damaged beyond repair. The infrastructure is crippled, the electricity is cut off, and the water is contaminated. The people are suffering, the children are traumatized, and the dead are buried under the ruins. The world is watching, but not doing enough. The international community is silent or complicit. The media is biased or censored. The truth is distorted or hidden. But we will not give up. We will not lose hope. We will not stop resisting. We will not stop telling our story. We are Gaza, and we are strong. Thank you for watching this video. Please share it with your friends and family. Please raise your voice for Gaza. Please support our cause for justice and freedom. Please subscribe to my channel for more updates and reports from Gaza.